Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang, talking about that generation here from year 2015 to year 2023. If you guys need to find where the engine starter relay is located, guys, which relay you need to check, where to buy cheap relays and fuses, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test relays and fuses, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stand till the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything, guys. Anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this absolutely free information. And if you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, because some of those could be really expensive at the parts store, any parts, any tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So we're going to demonstrate here on a 2018 Ford Mustang GT, but even if you have different engine, guys, it will work as well, because practically it will be the same relay. That's a fuse box right here that we need to open. You're going to press that notch and you're going to lift it up. It will start opening just like that. You can see the lid stays there. Now, good news, you have the relays and fuse numbers printed here, and that corresponds to that layout here. Bad news, you don't know what they're for. So that's where we come, guys, and we try to save the day and save you money and time. So before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here you have different relays that could be expensive and hard to find, guys. Check out the link in the description of the video below if you want to see where you can get them at a good price. Right here we'll be working in that relay box right there. It corresponds to this one here. The relay that we need to check for the starter will be relay number 81 right there. Talking about this relay will be the one that you will need to check for the engine starter. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any more questions, you want to see anything else specifically, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.